the SaliaTheJules. I'm doing my makeup. This is the MacBook. My Crayon case. Let's get started. Let's do some makeup. Team wheel. Ha! Okay, now I'm gonna start this. I'm gonna put it there. My color is blue. Wait, I made something on my lip. Oh, this. I got it. Can I sound out? Oh, that I look gorgeous. I look beautiful. Goodbye. Oh, you love my makeup. It's cooler. And you do your makeup every day. You can do it every day. But if your mom help, you will do it every day. But don't get mad at the teacher. So now it's a zero cut because I'm done.